Behind me, the new hull of Project 20555, also known as Serena, has arrived at Heesen shipyards.
The previous briefing, about 3 months ago, was from Franeker turning the hull. Since then, the hull was completed construction-wise and welded together. The hull was towed from Franeker to our shipyard in North, where we are today. The superstructure is lifted off the barge. After which the hull is pulled underneath. We will place the superstructure on top of the hull as accurately as possible.
First time the marriage of those two components will be finished.
We will move the yacht now to dock 4, close the docking doors. In the coming weeks, the main engines will be replaced.
Welding will be finished, and then the interior outfitting, as designed by Lucadini, will be installed together with all the electrical and mechanical components. This is all the start at the delivery of the complete vessel in the winter of 2024.